giving customers what they want. And this customer does not want to go to a body shop, so they had us do this repair. Without having to replace this fender, we're going to reshape the metal back to its original state. No repainting necessary. You've got some misalignment issues we're going to get back for them. We're placing the panel under tension, and the tension allows us to basically take some of the stress off that damaged metal and allows us to get in there and slowly move the metal where we need it to be. And we're going to go in there with a Stanliner spoon and work some of these deeper areas in here. This tool allows us to iron out the metal, keeping the repair super clean throughout the process. And we're going to go ahead and also do some knocking down. As you're seeing, the knocking down is essential to what we do in PDR. It's probably the most essential part of our process. And 10 hours later, voila.